Another pair of patent leather Jordan 1s. Didn't think this was going to happen, but what's good, guys? Ash Bash back again with another sneaker review, and this is for the Le Twins X Jordan 1 Fearless. So like my recent video where I did the review for the Shattered Backboard 3.0s, this is another pair from the Jordan Fearless 1 collection. There are so many coming out. Not all of them are dope, but to be fair, quite a few of them are dope, and I believe this is the third pair. There was the Shattered Backboards, obviously this pair, and that disgusting red pair that was the women's only pair, but loads to come and quite a few of them are fire. But this was a pair right here that I didn't think I wanted it because it's patent leather and I'm not really into that generally, but last minute I thought why not try it on sneakers, and ended up got a W, thank the sneaker gods. So I've got my pair, so I can finally tell you what I actually think about them in person. So when it comes to the shoe, if you didn't know, like I didn't know originally, this is actually a collaboration with Le Twins. If you don't know them, they're a dope as heck dance duo from France, I believe, from Paris, and they've been killing it for time. I saw them ages ago in like World of Dance and stuff, doing some madness. I believe they did backup dancing for Beyonce and all sorts, so they're a big deal. But Nike, to me, didn't really promote this as being a collaboration. There was nothing on the sneakers app to show that it was. It just said it was like another pair from the Fearless pack. So I assumed that was just like a random, as Jordan does, story that they add behind all shoes, Fearless, blah, blah, blah. But it turns out it's actually a collaboration, which I didn't find out until after I actually picked up the shoe and everything. If I knew before, it probably would have made me even more hype to get them, because I'm a big fan of those guys as it is. But yeah, supposedly it is a collaboration. Who knows if it's like the Don C collaboration with the Legacy 312, where it seemed like this literally threw his name on the box to sell some pairs. I don't really know, but either way, just check it out and show you all the details. So first up, one of the things that sold me on the shoe before I was like fully sold on the shoe was this box right here. If you follow my channel, you know that I love a specialty box, and there's not that many Jordan 1 boxes that I actually have. Most of them are the standard black and red, but you do have like the Travis one, which is done in the brown, and there was the what's his face, the BMX guy now, Nigel Sylvester, totally lost his name, which came in the white box. So it's nice to have a little change. This one is red and black. It looks super dope, reverse colorway, fire flames. On the box itself, it says AJ1 Retro High OG Fearless, and the color is white, black, university blue. Surprised it doesn't mention the red. That is very weird. And I got this in a UK 10, which is what I get in all my Jordan 1s. Opening up the box, you do find another little bit of specialty. Actually has some special paper above the regular tissue paper. On this one it says, limits like fears are often just an illusion. I'm not sure if that quote was from MJ, but I'm pretty sure it was from MJ, from like his Hall of Fame speech or whatever. So very nice touch, but we're not here for boxes or tissue paper. I'll show you the actual shoes. And boom, here is the sneaker in all its crazy shiny glory. Again, patent leather. Don't know why Jordan Brand is doing this, but to be honest, it's actually kind of fire, and it's not as shiny as I thought it was. It might look extra shiny on the camera because obviously the light is reflecting on it and all sorts of stuff, but it's actually pretty subtle, and this red is beautiful. It is just like the Cherry Low 11s, that exact red, just in that shiny. It actually looks pretty lovely, and again, the blue is the same as the UNC 11 lows that I have, so it's like a mixture of those two 11s, which just kind of came out of the blue, but somehow seems to kind of work. But enough waffling, let's get close up, show you the details. So silhouette wise of this shoe, obviously your standard AJ1 high, with some of the pairs from the Fearless pack. I'm not sure how many. One for sure is actually in a mid, so not all of them are OG highs. Don't go into it expecting that because it's a collaboration. There is actually a couple pairs that are mids in there, I believe. But yeah, standard Air Jordan 1 high, and all in patent leather. Something not everybody loves. I don't generally love it, but I've gone for it and is what it is. But yeah, the thing that stands out straight away is obviously that it's a two-tone design. and it has a literal split right in the middle where it's stitched, where you can see where it suddenly goes from that nice red, that Chicago red, to that UNC blue at the back of the shoe. Very interesting and kind of eye-catching. I've seen an edit where the red stopped here and then the blue started, and it kind of looked better. But you know, Jordan brand, they like to do their elaborate super cuts right in the middle there, so that's how they've done it. But yeah, material wise, it's pattern leather. If you felt pattern leather before, it's not as soft as your standard leather. I don't even know if pattern leather is actually just a coating or a real sort of actual different material to leather. I really don't know. I know people that made the SBB lows, the SBB 3.0s into matte. I'm not sure if they took away something or just painted some sort of matte finish on top of it. Not sure how it works. I'm not sure if it's something that's going to be going on and people are going to do it to this pair as well. I won't be doing it because, like the SBBs, I kind of like that it's a little bit unique, to be fair. Toe box, obviously, white pattern leather. Nothing to see here, obviously no tumble or anything like that. Around the toe cap is done in this lovely, lovely Chicago red. Absolutely beautiful. And obviously the back of the shoe is done in that UNC lovely blue. A nice touch, which is super different to what you'd find in a normal Jordan 1, is the Wings logo here. It is done in this sort of glossy material with black and gold, and it kind of sticks out a little bit. It's like it's in a bubble kind of thing. Cool little touch. And obviously this hang tag, which can't go amiss. It says fair on this side, and on the other side it says same quote as on the box, on the paper: limits like fairs are often just an illusion. Has the Michael Jackson, has the Michael Jordan little signature there as well. The tongue of the shoe is done in black. I've seen a lot of people saying, why the hell did they go for black? White would have definitely, in my opinion, made these look better, but I can't think why they did it, to be honest. I'm not sure. I think white would have just been super slick on this tongue, but they've gone for black. It is what it is. Comes with black laces as standard in the shoe, but praise the Lord, it does come with some spare laces.
12 seconds later.
It doesn't come with just one spare lace, it comes with 3 spare laces. You've got a white pair, the UNC pair, and the Chicago red pair as well, so salute to them for that. On the medial side of the shoe, same again. Nothing extra here, your same transition where it goes from the blue to the red with that nice little stitch in there. Then you've got the swoosh there done in black, obviously pattern leather. Then the white mid panel there, again done in white as well. Midsole of the shoe, pure white. You've been seeing them do a lot of sort of an aged look recently with sort of cell midsoles, but they've stuck to the pure white on this. And the sole of the shoe itself is done in all red. I was kind of expecting them to do one in red, one in blue, but they're both in red, so is what it is. Inside the shoe itself, it's got a special insole where it says fair on there, as you can see. A very cool touch. I love little details like that for sneakers. It just takes it to that next little level. And around the ankle collar is done in this black painting leather as well. The sock liner itself is done in black mesh, as you'd find standard. On the tongue, which is the normal standard mesh tongue, as I said, it's black. I prefer if it was white, but it has a white background with red text for the Nike Air. And I think that is pretty much it for details of this shoe. And yeah, gonna chuck them on feet, show you what they're like. Let go. And we're back. That was a quick look at the Jordan 1 Fearless on feet. Tell me what you think. I'm really, really digging them. I think they're very cool in the end. Glad that I had managed to get them in the end. I found that a lot of my friends, they were not super excited to like enter for this pair when they come up on the raffles and stuff. But in the end, I think most of them copped it, and most people that got it are pretty happy with it as well. So definitely happy that I didn't end up missing out. One of them ones that I probably would have seen on feet and maybe regretted. There was those blue chill pattern leather ones that came out, but I think they're women's only anyways and not in my size. But for some reason I wasn't feeling them big time. But now I'm wondering, that 9.5 fits. I wonder. But I've got the UNC Obsidians, whatever you want to call them, so kind of covered with that colorway anyways. But yeah, that is a quick look. It's not really that quick, but look at this shoe. I think it's dope. Looking at the resale of it, it's not actually that high. So if you did miss out on it, grab it now because it's not actually that expensive to pick up. And I saw it restocked today on some website. It was either SNS or Foot Patrol. One of them sites restocked today. So it looks like Foot Patrol and all these other sites have still got pairs somewhere restocking. So keep an eye out for that as well if you want to try and get a pair for retail. But yeah, if I was to buy these on resale, how much would I pay? I wouldn't pay over like 200. I'd be in the 180 range, I think, for a shoe like this. Not saying, it's up to you obviously how you deal with paying resale and stuff like that, but I kind of judge it on how much do I really like, how much do I really pay over. And I think I'd probably pay like 50, 60 over retail for these. Maybe like up to 80, but nothing super duper crazy because they're not like the best Jordan 1 of the year or anything like that, but it's a very nice Jordan 1 as it is. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video and on foots and all the close-ups of this sneaker. Follow me on Instagram, Ashbash Sneakers, for some dope pictures pretty much every day. And like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Hit the bell icon so you get notifications every time I upload, because I'm uploading quite a lot lately. I'm back on my YouTube grind. Anywho, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Ashbash signing out. Later, y'all.